New video for you. This video is going to be on Sowel. Sowel has levosulpiride 25 milligrams in it. This box has 20 tablets. It's made by Dyson Research Laboratories. The price for the box is 217 rupees. Levosulpride is an atypical antipsychotic medication used in the treatment of nausea, vomiting, heartburn, schizophrenia, depression, etc. The uses of levosulpride are stomach acid reflux, where acid moves back into the esophagus from the stomach discomfort, loss of appetite, pain, tenderness, heartburn, loose motions, constipation, etc., dyspeptic syndrome and irritable bowel syndrome, unexplained headaches, nausea and vomiting, depression, schizophrenia. This medication has some side effects like absence of menstrual periods, swelling of breasts in men, changes in sex drive, milk discharge from nipples when not breastfeeding, usually in women, a potential fatal condition with high fever, fast heart rate, breathing, confusion, sweating, irregular pulse, altered mental state. These are rare but serious. This medication is not recommended during pregnancy, and it should not be taken during breastfeeding as well. The dosage will depend on the severity of the condition of the patient, and it also depends on the age and gender of the patient. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.